Welcome back to our channel. Today we are excited to announce that our brand new course, Breaking Free from Emotional Manipulation, Your Guide to Empowerment, is now available for enrollment. In this transformative course, you will learn practical tools and techniques that will help you regain control of your emotions, establish healthy boundaries, and foster meaningful connections with others. Whether you're dealing with toxic relationships, workplace drama, or seeking personal growth, this course will provide you with the knowledge and skills to navigate challenging situations with confidence and resilience. So let's dive in and see what this course has to offer. The demand for mental health services is at an all-time high. But what if there was a way to take control of your emotional well-being without relying on traditional therapy? That's where our upcoming course comes in. Developed by a team of mental health professionals and educators, this course offers an accessible and affordable alternative to traditional talk therapy. With a focus on practical tools and techniques, it empowers you to manage your emotions and build healthy relationships. Say goodbye to waiting lists and limited session slots. Our course provides you with the flexibility to learn at your own pace and revisit lessons as often as you need. It's like having a therapist in your pocket whenever you need it. And here's the best part. Unlike traditional therapy, which can be financially burdensome, our course is designed to be more affordable, making mental health support available to a wider audience. We believe that everyone deserves access to the tools and resources they need to thrive. But why wait? Take the first step towards a better mental health journey today. Enroll in our course and unlock a world of possibilities. Don't wait any longer. Invest in yourself and your emotional well-being. Join us in this groundbreaking course and embark on a journey of self-discovery, healing, and empowerment. Let's start with some fun facts about the human brain. The brain is the most complex organ in the human body. It contains billions of neurons that form intricate networks to control thoughts, emotions, and actions. The brain is highly adaptable and can change its structure and function in response to experiences throughout life. These abilities are known as neuroplasticity and neurogenesis. Emotions play a crucial role in decision-making. In fact, research shows that the brain processes emotional information before rational analysis takes place. This means that your gut feelings and intuitions often guide your choices even before you consciously consider the options. When you break free from emotional manipulation, you gain the ability to make decisions from a place of genuine personal power, rather than being influenced by external pressures or control tactics. By understanding your emotions and recognizing when they are being manipulated, you can take control of your decision-making process and choose what truly aligns with your values, goals, and well-being. Remember that you have the power to shape your emotional landscape. Don't let anyone hold that power over you. Emotional manipulation can take many forms, including gaslighting, emotional blackmail, and passive aggression. Gaslighting is a tactic where the manipulator distorts reality and makes you question your own judgment and sanity. Emotional blackmail involves using guilt, fear, or other strong emotions to control your actions. Passive-aggressive behaviors such as sarcasm and subtle jabs are also common forms of emotional manipulation. Now let's explore how to break free from these manipulative tactics. Setting healthy boundaries is essential in any relationship. However, it is particularly crucial when dealing with emotionally manipulative individuals. Establishing clear limits and communicating them assertively can help protect you from emotional manipulation. This may involve setting boundaries around what type of behavior you will not tolerate, how you will respond to manipulative attempts, and the consequences if those boundaries are crossed. For example, you might state that you won't engage in arguments or discussions that become disrespectful or manipulative. You could also communicate that you will disengage from conversations that make you feel uncomfortable or question your own feelings and thoughts. Enforcing these boundaries consistently is essential to avoid sending mixed signals or allowing the manipulator to exploit any loopholes. By setting and maintaining healthy boundaries, you create a safer emotional space for yourself and reduce the effectiveness of manipulative tactics. Remember that protecting your emotional well-being is a priority, and that includes distancing yourself from those who intentionally try to undermine it. Building a support system is crucial when breaking free from emotional manipulation. Connect with friends, family members, or mental health professionals who offer genuine emotional support and validation. Sharing your experiences and seeking their perspectives can help you regain a sense of grounding and clarity. These individuals can provide a listening ear, offer words of encouragement, and help you process your emotions in a healthy way. Their support can be invaluable when you are facing emotional manipulation tactics that aim to isolate you from your support network. Additionally, engaging with others who understand your situation can create a sense of community and shared strength. It's important to choose your support system wisely, ensuring that those you connect with are trustworthy, empathetic, and non-judgmental. Remember that healing and growth often occur in supportive environments where you feel safe to be vulnerable and open. Practicing self-care is fundamental to breaking free from emotional manipulation, as it helps you prioritize your own well-being and build resilience. Engage in activities that bring you joy, relaxation, and a sense of balance. Self-care can include activities such as exercise, meditation, journaling, or spending time in nature. By taking care of your physical and emotional needs, you strengthen your ability to cope with stress and resist manipulative tactics. Emotional manipulation often thrives in situations where you're feeling depleted or overwhelmed. Therefore, making time for self-care is essential to restore your energy and emotional reserves. It also allows you to cultivate a deeper connection with yourself, enhancing your self-awareness and ability to recognize manipulative behaviors. Prioritizing self-care is not selfish. It's an investment in your overall well-being, and it equips you with the necessary resources to navigate challenges and break free from emotional manipulation. Gaining knowledge about emotional manipulation is crucial to break free from its grasp. Educate yourself about various manipulation tactics, red flags, and warning signs. Understanding how manipulation works can empower you to recognize it in different situations and protect yourself from its harmful effects. Read books, attend workshops, or watch educational videos to expand your understanding of emotional manipulation. Knowledge is the first step to breaking free from any form of control or coercion. When you know how manipulation manifests itself, you become more vigilant and less susceptible to its influence. This knowledge also helps you to identify patterns of manipulative behavior in your relationships and set appropriate boundaries. It is essential to continuously update your knowledge and stay informed about the latest research and insights into emotional manipulation. As you learn more, you'll become more adept at recognizing and countering manipulative tactics, reclaiming your emotional agency and building healthier relationships. Developing a growth mindset is an effective way to break free from emotional manipulation. Cultivate a belief that you can change and improve through your efforts and learning. This mindset enables you to view challenges as opportunities for growth and self-development. Believe in your ability to learn new skills, overcome obstacles, and achieve your goals. A growth mindset is particularly helpful when facing emotional manipulation because it allows you to bounce back quickly from setbacks. When you encounter manipulative situations, you can adopt a resilient mindset that focuses on learning from the experience and adapting your strategies. Instead of seeing yourself as a victim of circumstances, you can empower yourself by believing in your capacity to grow and thrive. Embrace challenges as opportunities to learn and enhance your emotional intelligence and manipulation detection skills. Remember that developing a growth mindset is a journey. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate your progress and remain committed to personal growth. Overcoming emotional manipulation is a journey that requires courage, self-awareness, and resilience. By employing the strategies we've discussed, you can reclaim your emotional power and create healthier, more fulfilling relationships. Set boundaries, build a support system, practice self-care, gain knowledge, and develop a growth mindset. As you continue to learn and grow, don't forget to show yourself compassion and celebrate your progress. Breaking free from emotional manipulation is possible, and the rewards of living a life true to your values and priorities are immeasurable. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, subscribe to our channel. If you wish to enroll in the course, Breaking Free from Emotional Manipulation, Your Guide to Empowerment. Click the link provided. Thank you for watching, and remember, you have the power to create positive change in your life.